Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone and app are up to date, because older versions can block sharing. Once done, go to Settings and enable Location Services. This allows apps to access GPS and network data. Next, open the specific app you'll use to share location, maps, messages, or contacts, so you can grant permissions directly. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, otherwise you might share with the wrong person. Now proceed to grant app-level location access. You'll now grant the app permission to access precise location. Choose while using the app for temporary sharing or always if you need continuous updates. The choice affects battery and privacy. Once permission is set, tap Share Location or Share My Location in the app interface. Then pick the contact from your list or create a shareable link if the recipient is not in your contacts. Make sure you select the correct contact and set the duration of sharing so you control when it stops. You should confirm the recipient received the location and that the map pin is accurate. Ask them to reply or watch the live update. If everything looks right, adjust the duration or stop sharing from the same share menu when finished. If it fails, troubleshoot. Toggle location services off and on, force quit the app, and recheck app permissions. Make sure airplane mode is off and you have cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. If problems persist, restart the device and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.